Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make zucchini and carrot, I guess fritters or pancakes, whatever you want to call them. They're delicious. They're super savory. If you are getting taken over by zucchinis in your garden, which we are at this point, like they're obviously dying down right now, but we still have so many that we are making so many different recipes, and this one for sure is one of my favorites. So if you want to see how it comes together super easily, just keep on watching.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.